Good day, kids! Our subject for today is Math 1. Our lesson is all about writing numbers in expanded form. Okay, before we proceed, are you ready to listen? Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, in writing expanded form, we have here example number 1. Let us write 67 in expanded form. We have here tens and ones on the chart. 6 is on tens and 7 is on ones. And the digit 67. So now, let's proceed. We have here 60 plus 7. Okay, that's in its value. Another 60 plus 7 is also its expanded form. Another example, number 2. Number in standard form, we have 83. Okay, the expanded form for 83 is equal to 80 plus 3. Okay, that's 83 in standard form. Next is, in our example number 3, we have here digits in thousands. Okay, like 9,649. The digits in thousand is 9, 9,000. In hundreds, we have 600. In tens, we have 40. And in ones, we have 9. So that's how we expand 9,649. Another example of an expanded form. Your number, for example, 5,294. The expanded form of the number is in the boxes, which is 5,000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 4. Okay, those are the expanded numbers. Okay, for your activity, write the numbers in expanded form. Okay, write your answer on your paper. Okay, take a look at the first example, 23. The expanded form for 23 is 20 plus 3. Okay, same goes with the other numbers. Write it in expanded form. Okay, that's all for our lesson in Math 1 in writing an expanded form. Thank you for listening and have a good day.